In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a section on Squarespace. Starting off, you're going to want to navigate to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, look for the login button. This is your first step towards accessing the back end of your website where all the magic happens. After clicking login, Squarespace will prompt you to continue with Google. This is extremely convenient if your Squarespace account is linked with a Google account. Go ahead and click on continue with Google. Next, you'll see a list of Google accounts. Click on the account that you use for Squarespace. This will take you directly into your Squarespace dashboard where all your website's content lives. Now let's navigate to your specific website if you have more than one. You can do this by looking for and clicking on the name of the website you want to edit. This step is pretty straightforward but important because it ensures you're making changes to the correct website. Once you're in the dashboard of your website, look for the edit button. This is where you can modify various elements of your website, including deleting the sections that you no longer need. Squarespace's user-friendly interface makes this process relatively easy. After clicking edit, the next step is to select the section you wish to delete. Take a moment to hover over the sections. Squarespace will highlight each section as your cursor moves over it, making it easier to identify the part of your website you're about to remove. Upon selecting the section, you'll see the option to remove. This button might be a little hard to spot initially, but it's usually located at the bottom of the highlighted area or in the content sidebar depending on the layout of your site. Click on remove once you find it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm the deletion of the section. This is a good safety feature that prevents accidental deletions. Click on remove again to confirm your choice. Remember, once a section is deleted, the action is irreversible, so make sure you really want to remove it before confirming. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Squarespace might automatically save some actions, but when it comes to deleting sections, you'll often need to click Save to ensure your changes are applied. This button is usually located at the top, left or right corner, or could be a floating button. The placement can vary based on the template you're using, and that's it. You've successfully deleted a section from your Squarespace website. This process not only helps in removing unwanted or outdated content, but also allows you to keep your website looking fresh and updated. Remember, regularly updating your website not only helps in attracting new visitors, but also improves your SEO. Deleting unnecessary sections is a part of this ongoing maintenance routine. If you ever need to add sections back or reorganize your content, Squarespace's edit mode is intuitive and user-friendly, offering you a multitude of customization options to ensure your website exactly meets your vision. Thank you for following along. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't hesitate to experiment with your website's layout to discover what works best for your content and audience.